If your Spotify Premium subscription is not working, here are a few things you can try to fix it. First, make sure you are logging into the correct Spotify account. Many users accidentally sign in with a different email, Google account, Apple account, or Facebook login than the one they used to purchase Premium. When signing in, use the exact same login method connected to your Premium subscription. If you recently subscribed to Premium, wait a few minutes and then restart the app. Sometimes it takes a little time for the subscription to activate on your account. Also, if you are part of a family plan or duo plan, check whether the plan manager has removed your account. If you've been removed from the subscription, Premium features will stop working. Next, open the Play Store or App Store and check for Spotify updates. Installing the latest version can fix account and subscription issues. You can also try uninstalling and reinstalling the Spotify app completely, then signing back into your account. After logging back in, your Premium features should return if the subscription is active on the correct account. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials.